Hi, welcome to monumentalmath.com. We're going to do round to the nearest 100. The rule around the world is if the tens digit is less than 5, then you replace it with a 0. If the tens digit is greater than or equal to 5, then you round up. And I'll show you what that means. Let's take a look. On set 1, we have 247 and 452. If we're rounding to the nearest 100, we look at the tens digit. That tens digit is less than 5, so we replace it with a 0. 2, 0, 0. The ones digit is automatically going to get replaced with a 0. 452, we look at the tens digit. It is equal to 5, therefore we round up. We're going to make this 100 go to the next 100, so it will round up to 500. Now if you think in terms of money, if you have $247, you're still closer to $200 or $300. You're still close to $200. But if you have 452, you're now closer to 500 than you are to the 400. So it makes sense. Let's do the next one, set 2. This one has 25 and 387. You look at the tens digit. It is less than 5, so we replace it with a 0. And you might think, whoa, that makes your whole number go away. Yes, it does. If you're trying to save to $100 and you have 25, are you closer to 0 or 100? You're still closer to 0. So it makes sense. Rounded to the nearest 100, it is 0. Okay, 387, you just look at the tens digit. That is greater than or equal to 5, so you make this hundreds number go up. Okay, so you round it up to 400. $387, you'd be pretty close to 400. Let's do the next one. Now you have them in the thousands. Okay, the ones number is going to become a 0. This tens number is greater than or equal to 5, so it's going to make the hundreds number go up. Thousands number just stayed the same. 2,000, the 300 went up to 400, and then these become zeros. On this one, it has 30, it has a 3 as the tens digit. That is less than 5, so we're just going to replace it with a 0. So it is going to round to just simply 5,000. And you might think, well, but there's $32. Yes, but if you're thinking in terms of is it closer, is 5,032, is that closer to 5,000? No hundreds. Or is it closer to 5,100? It's still closer to just 5,000, so it makes sense. Okay, on the next one, you look at the tens digit. It's bigger than or equal to 5, so it makes this go up. However, when a 9 goes up, it needs to make the next number go up. So this is a time where it did change the thousands number. 9,000. Okay, and if you can think in terms of that's 89, when this made it go up, when the tens digit, which was greater than or equal to 5, when it makes this go up, 89 became 90. There you go. I wanted to make it make sense for you. Okay, if you have 4,023, you look at the tens digit. It's less than 5, so we just replace it with a 0. So 4,000 is the answer when it's rounded to the nearest 100. Okay, now you go ahead and do set 1, 2, 3, and 4 on monumentalmath.com. Good luck, and I hope you enjoy the challenge. Remember the rule.